Now in this video, I'm going to be showcasing to you what it looks like to repurpose a top-end product for something that is not technically designed to be done. Nick, what are we going to be doing today? So I'm going to be using a Tyre dressing, specifically Dress V2, as a quick detailer. Nick, have you lost your mind? Damn right I have. Let's do this. Now just to demonstrate to you, this car I pulled in, you know what I'm like, don't like pulling dirty cars into the garage. There's bird poo there, bird poo. Camera may not even be showing this, but I'm telling you, there's water spots. The car's water spotted to the nth degree. Now what is currently happening in the UK, you'll have a rainstorm for about 15 minutes, 30 minutes, then it's come out blasting heat, etc., etc. So right now this is about 6 days worth of dirt, give or take, and I've been driving through film of rain. Now rain bringing up film, I'm driving, it's driving up, it's complete nightmare to me. Now I'm going to show you, look, this is a towel, this is a Tyre. You're going to be talking to me, say, Nick, on camera it looks 27 stages paint corrected. I'm telling you, very, very good camera that you see me through right now. But even though it looks like it's had a wet sand and 15 paint jobs, this car is dirty. Now I'm going to showcase this to you. This Tyre looks perfect. It's not. Just to show you out of interest what this Tyre actually is carrying right now, pollen, dirt, dust, etc. That is the Tyre right now. Just for reference points. This is my current Tyre. Now Nick, how are you going to be using the best Tyre moisturizer on the planet as a quick detailer? What are you going to be teaching us? Well, this is the next point. Strap in, let's go and get it. Now ultimately this is what we're working with. Like I've already explained, the situation of the Tyre, I'm seeing horrific water spots, it's killing me. Car's pulled in for a rinseless wash. I'm going to rinseless wash this car. Now, are the tyres caked in dirt? Are they brown? Are they dripping with, horrific things? No, they're not. You've spotted it, I've spotted it correctly. But when you drive through the rain, as you know, water-based dressings, mix them with water. You don't have to be a chemist to realize what happens next. Now, what you will see is a bit of blotchiness, a bit of splotchiness. Obviously, in my case, I don't really see as much of that because this is not really a Tyre dressing, but it is not how it rolled out of here almost a week ago, let's put it that way. So, Dress V2, Tyre moisturizer, absolutely beautiful. Now look, this is from a previous video that I did showcasing, but this is the 1-to-1 dilution. As you could see, I marked it on the bottle, so you can all see. This is a 1-to-1 mix, basically 50% water, 50% Dress V2. Now what I'm introducing to you today, and I discovered this by just really messing around with formulations. How far can we push a product without actually trying to sell you another product, right? Because I'm not like that. I would rather this product does 15 tasks out of one bottle rather than 15 products to do 15 independent tasks. Build a better product from the ground up in a bottle. That is our mantra from day one. So if you haven't seen that video, it's on there. You can dilute it pretty much unlimitedly. But in this case, for my personal standards, 1-to-1 is perfect. So you take some of the finest South Korean towels, before you get them a little bit dirty, you kiss them because it's the best, right? What I like to do, this is basically, in your senses, for layman's terms, a Tyre quick detailer. Now, see, I am using it as a quick detailer, but you thought I was going to go in the paint, right? You thought I was just going to completely lose my marbles. Not yet, people. I'm close, though. So, a Tyre quick detailer. Now, what does that mean? I'm not going to be scrubbing this Tyre with undress Tyre cleaners or, high pH kind of monsters to try and remove anything, because the Tyre doesn't need it. But what I do need is to bring back a bit of that luster, a little bit of pop. Most importantly, no sling, and I want it to be dry to the touch straight away. How are we going to do it? Dress V2, 1-to-1, watch this. Treat it like a quick detailer. What was that, 3-4 sprays, right? It's on here. Wow. Right. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to avoid, obviously, touching painted parts. Now, let me tell you, this is the problem. People think there are only one way of doing things. And you know what? If you're a purist and you want to actually deep clean and decon your car every 48 hours, yes, it can be done, but it doesn't need to be done. The base layer protection, you've seen the videos, you've seen the decon of the tires, you've seen exactly how we prepare them for the life that this car will have for, say, 12 months, right? If the tire is going to last you 12 months with mileage. Because the base is there, you don't need to strip it back all the time. So what I've done, literally, and another camera may not see it, but I'm telling you, huge difference. Now this is the beautiful part, right? I want to put this to the floor. I'm going to show you. You can hear me rubbing it, yeah? You're going to see there's going to be no black. Absolutely no black on my hands. Look at that. Perfection. Rubber Quick Detailer has entered the chat. Thank you. You're welcome. Beautiful, right? This is instantly becomes that slick, you know, the low grabbiness feel that you get on the tire. At the same time, I'm going to do it on this tire for you as well, as to prove a point. I'm not going to wipe that tire down or anything like that. I'm just literally going to go straight in with this and you'll see the effect. So I'm going to reiterate again. This looks like a freshly dressed tire on camera. I'm telling you, it's not. I can see a little bit of brown, there'll be a bit of pollen. Pollen, when it starts to build up, goes that orangey, horrible color. I drove over some mud probably here, so I just want to give it a quick wipe down. So again, this is a fresh towel, by the way. All right, I'm going to make it even to a smaller piece. 3, 4, 5. All right, look, I'm only making it into this size only because I've got fairly low profile tires. I want to try and mitigate touching the wheel or the ground. Now look at, oh my God, just look at it, right? It's instant. Now the water's also helping to dilute the product further. It likes to emulsify just a little bit better, or not really better, but in a different way, because we introduce some water into the formulation. Now look, I'm going to show you this, right? Watch this. Now you're going to see what I've done. I've dressed, but I've also removed. Now you're telling me the tire's not dirty. You're about to agree with me with what exactly I'm saying. Look at that. Look at that brown, horrible kind of tinge. Not good, and I've just knocked that out in under 5 seconds. Look at this. Fantastic. And this, guys, is exactly what I wanted. A natural finish. It's crisp. Not glossy, not greasy. It feels unbelievable. It looks unbelievable. Now, this is a very quick way of giving the extra boost. Imagine you're on a road trip. You are going to a car event, or you're just midweek. You pull up to a supermarket on a Wednesday. You're looking at it going, you know what? I'm going to get home and I'm going to spend 47.5 seconds with a towel, just V2 at 1-to-1, and just quickly giving the wipe down. Seeing as it has the base, you've seen that video, you've seen hundreds of those videos from me, but it has the base. It is the perfect demonstration to you. Now, am I going to use this on trash tires, the orange, the blooming, and there is, I don't know, 3,000 miles worth of dirt in them? Absolutely not. I'm grabbing the best tire brush in the world, I'm grabbing some undressed, and I'm going to town. But this is not the case. But I have driven through periodic rain showers and periodic short bursts of sunlight for the last, 6-7 days. So I want to freshen up this car before I pull it back out. After, of course, I do a rinseless wash on it, because again, it doesn't justify a full wash on it, because luckily we're starting to turn the weather around. So guys, tell me what you think about this. I just want to blow the book. Let's call it that way. I want to blow the book wide open on what is completely possible with something that is built with purpose. And I enjoy making videos like this because I bet a lot of people are scared of putting some water into it and trying it on a different surface that it's not intended to. I'm telling you, in this case, rubber, tire, QD, it's made for you. This bottle, if you keep it like this is probably 15-year supply for you. So I hope it's helped. Let me know what you think in the comments. I'm very curious, of course. I hope everybody's doing well. It's a Friday. I hope you have the best weekend. And as always, guys, I will see you very soon. And as always, I love you more than you'll ever know. Have a great weekend.